Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the mascara mistake. And as you can see, this is from another video. I was applying my mascara and I use a really black mascara, and while doing that I will hit my nose with the mascara wand, leaving a really nice chunk of dark color on my nose. So this is how you fix your mascara mistake. If it hit your face, if it hit your eyelids after you applying your eyeshadows. And as you can see, I have a really dark color on my nose right now. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna leave it completely dry. Don't do anything to it when it's wet. Leave it completely dry. I'm gonna complete my mascara and apply it and make sure everything is nice, still there and still not finished. So I take my time to leave it completely dry, and after I'm sure it's dry completely, as you can see here, it's still there, and I'm gonna take this spoiler or this mascara wand and begin to rub it against it really gently, and just take your time. And as you do that, you will begin to see the mascara begin to completely gone, and just continue doing this. As you can see, it's almost there, almost gone. So here we go, it's gone. Yeah, so actually it takes a little bit of the contour or the makeup underneath, but it's not like the whole thing. So it didn't take my foundation and concealer and everything, just a little bit of the contour. As you can see, it's completely gone. So this is how you fix your mascara. If you had any on your face or on your eyelids, don't do it when it's wet. Leave it completely dry, and then with the spoiler and begin to rub against it, and it will be completely gone, even if it's really dark black one. And now what I'm doing, I'm just fixing my makeup, because of course it takes a little bit of contour out of my skin. I'm just adding a little bit of contour and blend it to make everything equal and looks beautiful. And as you can see, it's amazing and perfect. And this is how you remove mascara mistakes. And this is the video for today. I really hope you like it and it was helpful for you. And as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.